Good morning, guys. Welcome once again to our virtual classroom. Today is Friday, April 3rd. We've made it through a full week of online learning. And yeah, today's the, technical day to end our week, which means this. Tomorrow being Saturday and Sunday, uh, normally you don't go to school Saturday and Sunday, so you won't have work from me for Saturday and Sunday. Okay? All right. So let's go ahead and get started with today, Friday. My do now question is, how are you liking at home learning? It's been a week of me sending you videos, you doing the work, taking pictures of it and sending it back to me. How are you liking it so far? That's what I would love to know. Please comment down below. How are you liking it? You can say like, yes, I do like it because I get to stay home, or no, I don't like it. I miss my friends. I miss going out for recess, whatever the case may be. Okay. Also, are you liking the way we're doing things, or do you think we can do something better? Let me know on the comment section below so I can consider all your thoughts. All right. So today's video is super short because the only thing that we're doing today is our weekly check, as we do on Fridays. All right, today you have a weekly check to complete. Complete it on your own. Try to complete it without looking back at the work so you don't sort of cheat. And so because today is only a weekly check, all you have to do is complete pages 38 to 43 in your weekly check. That is your weekly check for today, 38 to 43. And once you're done, make sure you take pictures of the weekly check. Make sure you send it to me. And you have done a great job this week working from home. I'm very proud of each and every one of you that's participating, that's sending me pictures, that is doing the work. After you're done with that, you can relax and enjoy your weekend. And I'll send you guys your next video on Monday. Do we have any questions? If you do, remember to text me at 915-999-5016. Other than that, remember to do your best, forget the rest, and make me proud.